Hubbie's changing outfit now. While inside the car, the struggle is real. The exorcist ka dyan.
Sumasagip. Yung cut.
And we're here now at Harn Beach. Okay, there's no beach yet, but it's over there. So I'll show you where it is, and let's see why it is popular to a lot of tourists. It seems like a promising one. We'll see. Hubbee.
Yes,
We're seeing a different side of Phuket. Look at the beach. So nice. This is Harn Beach. It's a beautiful weather. Welcome to Harn Beach in Phuket. So nice. We were blessed with a good weather today, and we're going to enjoy it. Can't see the camera anymore, but the beach is so beautiful. Let's try the water. Let's see if it's good. Ooh. That's it.
What are you doing? Bye.
We just finished swimming at the beach. It was so fun. The waves are so big. Look at that. Still good. We're going to the Cape, and I'm so thirsty. I'm so tired. Yun lang kita. Bukas kami ng paa. Sobrang buhangin. Buti na pinayagan kami ng may-ari. Did you have fun, Hubbee, at the beach?
Of course.
Look at our hair. That was so much fun. Para kami nag-workout. So I'm back at the hotel from today's work appointment. So the first thing that I had was to meet the Australian ambassador because their embassy has donated a small truck to our foundation here in Phuket. I also met the consulate general, their wives, and I also met the organization that has been helping us here in our operation in Phuket. So we had a lunch with them after the turnover ceremony. We met the whole team of One Phuket. It's a community that aims to support different organizations that do something good in Phuket. It was a lovely lunch. They're all lovely people. I'm so happy I met them, and they have pledged their commitment to support us in our operation here in Phuket. Then I met my team in Phuket. We asked everyone to come to the office so that I can meet them personally because we have a new driver and we have a new cleaner of our food container. So I met them, we had a team meeting, we discussed plans and future things that will happen soon, and it was nice to see them. And my outreach manager, who I asked to fly down here in Phuket to see all of these things, she's also going back to Bangkok today, so I had to say goodbye to her and I will see her next week. So I'm back in our hotel. It's already 3:30, almost 4, and I saw that the weather is good. I was hoping to relax and stay because we're going to Krabi tomorrow, but I saw the weather. It's so good. It's so hard to resist, and it's our last afternoon here in Phuket, so might as well go to the beach. So we're now at the pier because all of these hotels surrounding the lake, there is a designated boat that takes you on different hotels, restaurants, and to the beach. And we're going to the beach now. And I guess that's going to be our itinerary for the rest of the afternoon. And we're just going to rest until the evening because we feel that our body has been so active and we need to slow it down. But I'm just curious to see what the beach looks like here in Laguna because we've seen different beaches here in Phuket, so I'm just curious to see it. I brought my drone just to take some shot if it's really nice, and that's it. I'll show you the beach later. All right. Here at the beach again. That's what you do in Phuket. Beach is life. I think I put so much sunblock on my face. It's so white. Look at the beach. So nice. So I almost had a heart attack moment because when I started using the drone and it went straight to the beach, I lost control. It's not following my control and I thought I'm gonna lose the drone. For a minute I was ready to say goodbye to my drone and I was like, that's it, and you know, my heart stopped. I'm still trying to recover from that, but I'm glad I didn't lose my drone. It's gonna be sad if that's how we're going to end this Phuket trip, losing the drone, but yeah, so now we're just gonna enjoy the beach. The wave is much bigger than the one we visited yesterday, but there's also not many people around. So I'm trying to stop Hubbee to go to the beach because it might be dangerous. So we're just going to take some photos. See, he's busy already. So This might be our beach afternoon, watching these big waves hit us. So we missed the boat. The boat picks up every 30 minutes and we just missed it. And now we don't want to wait for another 30 minutes, so so we're just gonna try to find our way by walking through Dusitani and then we'll find a way out and we'll see how we can get back to our hotel, because it's getting dark already and we don't want to be stuck here, so we'll see. Wish us luck. Feels like we're stuck in a forest. Hopefully this is a way to go there. Our journey towards finding our way out. This is Dusitani. And we found our way out. We're walking now to our hotel. Why am I still wearing this? This is so cute. Look at what they did to the pails. And we made it to our hotel. That was a journey. So Hubbee is swimming at the pool. Me, I'm lounging here because I'm so tired. I don't know, I get so tired so easily now. What? This is part of being 40. I'm going to enjoy this view of Laguna Lake and take it all in, because I don't know when will I see this again. Going back to reality very soon, and I think I might have a chance to come back to Phuket very soon, because the One Phuket team has invited me to attend their opera fundraising event, and they're insisting, so I might come back. And they're going to raise funds for us. Half of the proceeds will go to SOS, and that's why they want me to be there. Good morning. It's our last day here in Phuket and we just finished our breakfast. Of course, Hubbee was cooking our breakfast since our first day here in Kasha, Phuket. And now it's time to pack our stuff. Hubbee prepared everything there. We're leaving Phuket at around 11 a.m. Our driver will pick us up and he will drive us to Krabi. It will take 3 hours to do that, but we decided to do some stopover. We're going to have a lunch in a nice place that I've visited before when I was doing some tour inspection in my previous company, and it's such a beautiful place with a stunning view of Phang, and I wanted Hubbee to see that place. So we're going to have lunch there, and then we might visit some other tourist places along the way if the driver would be would be up for it, and then we'll go straight to our hotel in Krabi. Then we don't have any plans for today in Krabi, maybe just to relax, and tomorrow we'll have some tours. So that's it. I'm gonna start packing now.
If you like this video, please don't forget to click the like button.
And if you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. See you on our next video. Bye!
And we're now here at... what do you call this one? I forgot the place.
Cement ng Shi.